Alright, you guys know what it is. This is another unboxing of an amp. I'm just going into my son's car. I'm getting ready to install it, but to install it, I'll do a quick unboxing for it. The Hifonics Hfi15000. I mean, it's good enough for him. This is his first system. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. See what it has. Okay, after we open the box, caution. It comes with this this manual thing here. Then it comes with another manual. Take a look at that later. Okay, and here it is. We just have to unbox it. So I'll just go ahead and rip it open. All right. All right. Okay. Go ahead and take it out of the package. Okay, you got the amp. That's the amp itself. Looks like you got a little bit of toys. Looks like you have. Okay, this is the bass knob. So we just took it out of the plastic. This is how it looks. Let's see, go to this side. Looks like they take probably 4 gauge, 270s. Okay, that's probably about 10 gauge on that side. Then this side looks like it's got output, input, so you can hook another amp to it, level, bass EQ, remote to hook up the bass knob, subsonic, low pass. Okay. As I say, looks like it won't be so bad. We're gonna get it hooked up to my son's car and see what happens. Like I said, this is his first system, and we'll see how it's gonna sound. All right. As you can see, we are now done hooking it up. We got it hooked up to these Hifonics Hfi15000. So far, it sounds pretty good. It took us a little bit just to hook it up, but we hooked it up in his car, and that's how it is when it's lit up. The little thing. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, not bad, huh? For a first system. Not bad at all. No siree. Not bad. We're about to get this demo, the system I just put in here.
Nice bass.
Quick little demo. Hey.
Woo. It's so nice bass.
Hey, all right.
This beat is a little blue. I came through the front like giving my little cat. Hopped off the stage like giving my scoops. Where the valet get a key to my troops. At the top floor like baby come through. Got a door man at the front. That's
all right.
Yeah, I asked her why that pussy so pink and so good. She told me if I just make a wet, I'm gonna make a snooze. Big rims on the front, you see the curves. Big body ride, you can see the swerves. So ice and big, you can see the slurs. These diamonds on my neck is really blurred. These doses in my vision really clear. I can see you niggas up here on
yeah, I see these vibrating.
my signs ain't harder than Creed.
Yeah.
Fucking with me, nigga. No one has Alicia Keys. Play games, pull up like Need for Speed. You'll see this in a shoe, Joel and B. I'll put you underground like planting seeds. If I ain't with the game, I'm still in my car, bitch, what was you thinking? Don't care if I'm out of the game and watching my son, my nigga, I'm squeezing. Since I was a youngin', I knew I was it before I put my feet in. Everything that I'm seeing, I already seen it, cause I used to dream it. Move on me like a kingpin, 25 on my way Timbs. Stick on me like hockey, cause I had some goals that I had to defend. Yeah, if you really a shooter, I talk on computers, my nigga, let's link in. They say they won't beat them when I pull up on them, they vegan.
All right, y'all. That was a nice little demo, y'all. Sounds pretty good. Son's first system sounds great. All right, y'all. I'm out. Wait till the next video.